One day, a girl who has long hair went to the place that no one can find her. She thinks that she can solve all of her problems on escaping, but the truth is she can't. That girl named Rochelle. She has a lot of friends in their community, but the fact that she is more attached to her friend, the fact that she cannot avoid them when they have misunderstanding. At the one moment, they are planning how would be the content of their friend's birthday. They really love talking to each other. When the time has come on, the part of the climax of their discussion, they seem like fighting through words. They don't even realize that Rochelle is crying since then. Tears are flowing with her cheek down to her neck. Her eyes look like a miserable dog. Though she has a soft heart, she tried to stop them fighting in a brave manner. Rochelle said, "Can you please stop? I can see all of you being like that. We're family here, right?" Her friend ashamed at the same time astonished. "We're so sorry, Rochelle. We cannot handle our emotions. We shouldn't have done things like this. I'm so sorry," her friend said. As the time passed by, she gradually felt emptiness in her heart, maybe because of something, and that something is very serious and confidential. Last year, her dad passed away on cardiac arrest. That's a horrible thing cause in just an hour he died. Her mother Lillian couldn't accept take it alone. She didn't want her child to grow without her father. She didn't want her to raise all of their children without the help of her husband. "Rochelle, you can manage yourself, right? We're not complete family right now. I love your dad so much, and I can accept that he is gone." "I think I'm going to be crazy," Lillian said. Her mom was full of sobs from morning until the night. Rochelle comforted her. "Mom, can we talk? Can I talk to you?" Rochelle said. "Yes, honey. What is it all about?" Lillian said. Her mom is a courageous woman. She didn't let her child to know that she is down and depressed. "But this time, Mom, we feel the same thing. I really love that, but that wouldn't be happy if we weren't be able to be happy again. As your child, we're always here for you, okay? I love you, Mom," Rochelle said. When her dad has been on crave, they finally realized to move on, but Rochelle felt something missing. "Mom, I know what you're feeling right now. I can't take any longer to see you crying all day. Mom, we're family, so when one needs help, we help. But this time, Mom, we feel the same thing. I really love that, but that wouldn't be happy if we weren't be able to be happy again. As your child, we're always here for you, okay? I love you, Mom," Rochelle said. When her dad has been on crave, they finally realized to move on, but Rochelle felt something missing, which caused her to hold it back. When they arrived at home, Rochelle immediately reached her bedroom, lying her body on her beautiful bed. When he closed her eyes, all of her problems before flashed back again, in just like a nightmare that she cannot shun. She felt loneliness in her entire life. In our society, problems will take you on doing and thinking negative thoughts that may lead you on such illness. On the other hand, problem will let you to be strong. Moreover, Rochelle's choice is to keep everything inside of her. She can escape because she did not let it go and express it to others. She locked up herself on thinking with longings, misfortune, and hate. In our life, accepting and move on is the only thing that we can do for us to live happily without any heartache. Problems is the way to overcome everything on you. So don't let your problems turn you on being a miserable one.